Good morning, student. This is our story class. Today in this story class, we are going to read and learn a new story. That is The Two Frogs. Okay? Story of Two Frogs. What is the story name? Story name The Two Frogs. Okay, this is the story name. Okay, so what it is? Once two frogs played near a pot of cream. Okay, once two frogs played. Once two frogs played near a pot of cream. Once two frogs played near a pot of cream. Once two frogs played near a pot of cream. Okay, once two frogs played near pot of cream. They decided to look into the pot. They decided to look into the pot. They decided to look. They decided to look into the pot. Into the pot. Okay. Next. And fell into it. Then and fell into it. And fell. Okay. Into it. So what I have told, once two frogs played near a pot of cream. They decided to look into the pot and fell into the pot. Okay? And fell into the pot or fell into it. Then they could not get out of the pot. They could not get out of the pot. Okay, they could not get out of the pot. So they swam round and round in the cream. So they swam round and round, round and round. They swam round and round in the cream. In the cream. Okay, so what I told. Two frogs are there, they play near to the cream pot. Then they want to see what it is and they fell into it. Okay? Then they could not able to come out from that pot. And that's why swam round and round in the cream. One of them, means out of two, one of them is afraid and said, one of them is afraid and said, oh, that is the end of my life. That is the end of my life. Okay? He thinks that is the end of his life. Okay? It stopped swimming and sank. It stopped swimming and sank. It stopped swimming. It stopped swimming and sank. Okay? Okay? Next. But the second frog is brave. Okay? And clever. But the second frog is brave and clever. He swam and swam and beat the cream with his little feet. The cream became a ball of butter. The frog jumped on the ball of butter and got out of the pot. Okay? Moral of the story, try and you will win. Or you can say never give up hope. Never give up hope. So up to this we are going to practice. First, story name the two frogs. Okay? First I am going to explain you. There are two frogs. They are playing where? Near a cream pot. Okay? And then they want to see what inside. By looking into it, they fell in the pot. Okay? They fell in the pot. Then they could not able to come out. They are swimming. One of the frog, one of the frog think he has lost his hope. And he think this is the end of my life. I could not go out from this pot. I never can be out of this pot. So he stopped swimming and he sank. But the second frog, he was very brave and clever. So he doesn't left his hope. Okay? So he swam and swam. Because of this, he beat the cream and the cream become a ball. Okay, in the pot, it become a ball. And after becoming the ball, the frog jumped on the ball, and from that ball, he jumped out of the pot. This is how he came out from the pot. So what is the moral? Never give up your hope. Okay? If you are strong, then God will also help you. But if you give up your hope, you will never come out of that. Okay? This is the story. So first 3 lines we are going to learn. Once two frogs played near a pot of cream. So first line, story name, the two frogs. Story name, the two frogs. Okay. Next, once two frogs played near a pot of cream. Once two frogs played near a pot of cream. Once two frogs played near pot of cream. Near a pot of cream. Okay. They decided to look into the pot. They decided to look into the pot. They decided to look into the pot and fell into it. They decided to look into the pot and fell into it. Okay? Then what happened? Then they could not get out of it. They could not get out of the pot. Okay? Once two frogs played near a pot of cream. They decided to look into the pot and fell into it and fell into it. They could not get out from the pot. They could not get out of the pot. They could not get out of the pot. So they swam round and round. They swam round and round. Full line I have teach. Full story I have teach. Okay. Listen it properly. Then learn it. I have done 3 lines. You go through it once more. I am saying. Story name The Two Frogs. Okay. Once two frogs played near a pot. Once two frogs played near a pot of cream. Okay. They decided to look into the pot and fell into it. They could not able to come out of the pot. So they swam and swam and swam round. Okay, they swam and swam round and round in the cream. Up to this 4 line I have make you learn. So go through it and learn it. Okay, student? Today's class over. Thank you, students.